Dallas weather is anything but predictable. From scorching summer heat and intense sun exposure to heavy rain, strong winds, and occasional cold snaps, your home's exterior faces constant stress. While many homeowners focus on roofing or windows, your doors are equally important when it comes to protection, comfort, and energy efficiency. If you've noticed drafts, warping, sticking, or rising energy bills, Dallas weather may be playing a bigger role than you think. Understanding how local climate conditions impact your doors can help you make a smarter replacement decision. Extreme summer heat and sun exposure. Dallas summers are known for prolonged high temperatures and intense sunlight. Constant UV exposure can cause certain door materials to fade, crack, or deteriorate over time. Wood doors, in particular, can dry out, warp, or split when exposed to repeated heat cycles. Even some lower quality materials may expand and contract excessively, affecting how smoothly your door opens and closes. When replacing a door in Dallas, choosing heat-resistant materials like fiberglass or insulated steel can improve long-term durability. These materials are designed to handle temperature fluctuations without losing structural integrity. Humidity and sudden rainstorms. Although Dallas is often hot and dry, it also experiences periods of heavy rain and humidity. Moisture can seep into older or poorly sealed doors, leading to swelling, rot, and mold issues, especially with traditional wood doors. If your door sticks after rain or feels soft along the bottom edge, moisture damage may already be present. Modern replacement doors are built with weather-resistant cores and tight weather stripping to prevent water intrusion. Proper sealing during installation is critical to keeping moisture out and protecting your home's interior. Strong winds and storm activity. Dallas storms can bring powerful winds and flying debris. Over time, wind pressure can weaken door frames, loosen hardware, or cause minor alignment issues. If your current door rattles during storms or doesn't close securely, it may not be providing the protection your home needs. Upgrading to a reinforced replacement door with a solid core and strong frame can enhance security and storm resistance. Multi-point locking systems also provide additional stability during severe weather. Temperature fluctuations and energy efficiency. Dallas weather often shifts between hot days and cooler evenings, especially during transitional seasons. These temperature swings can impact energy performance if your door lacks proper insulation. Older doors with worn seals may allow conditioned air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. This not only increases energy bills but also creates uncomfortable drafts near entryways. Energy-efficient replacement doors feature insulated cores, tight weather stripping, and low-E glass options for doors with windows. These features help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce strain on your cooling system during peak summer months. Signs. It's time for door replacement. Dallas weather can accelerate wear and tear, so it's important to watch for warning signs, including visible warping or cracking, drafts or uneven indoor temperatures, difficulty opening or closing, moisture damage or rot, faded or peeling finishes. If you notice any of these issues, replacing your door sooner rather than later can prevent more costly repairs. Choosing the right replacement door for Dallas. When selecting a replacement door, consider materials built for heat and moisture resistance. Fiberglass doors offer durability and low maintenance, while insulated steel doors provide strength and energy efficiency. Professional installation is equally important. Proper alignment and sealing ensure your new door can handle Dallas weather conditions effectively. A smart investment for year-round protection. Your door is one of the most used and most exposed parts of your home. In Dallas, where weather extremes are common, choosing the right replacement door improves comfort, security, and energy performance. By selecting weather-resistant materials and ensuring professional installation, you'll protect your home against heat, storms, and seasonal changes, while enhancing curb appeal and long-term value.